Okay, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and we're continuing our myth series about recycling insulation in your crawl space. Stay tuned. Okay, so a lot of crawl space companies out there, either out of lack of knowledge or pure laziness, they will just pull the insulation down, drop it to the ground, spray the joists with mold disinfectant, and then take the insulation off that nasty, nasty ground after it got covered in mold and disinfectant and shove it back up in the floor joists and say, "See you later, Mr. Homeowner." Well, that's a myth. Don't ever let anybody recycle your insulation between the floor joists. I mean, what's the point in doing that anyway? Chances are the wood and everything's wet behind there and they didn't give it a chance to dry out, so it's not going to kill any mold in the first place. So what we do is we take the insulation out and we dispose of it completely. Don't recycle insulation. We call that a crawl space myth, and my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.